Today we are making this delicious and gorgeous eggplant tofu with shishito peppers. If you like eggplant, you're going to love this dish. First, we need to drain the tofu. Cut the tofu horizontally, then place on a clean dish towel or paper towels. And we're going to microwave this for 1 minute. Then we're going to remove it, pat it dry, and microwave for a minute longer. Cut the tofu into 1-inch cubes and toss in potato flour, or you can substitute cornstarch. The potato flour will create a crispy crust on the tofu and will help to thicken the sauce. Then to a large pan on medium-high heat, we're going to add a few tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to sear each side of the tofu until golden brown and crispy. Tofu is made of soybeans, which are the richest plant-based source of protein, as they contain all 9 essential amino acids. In a 3-ounce serving of tofu, there are about 8 grams of protein. I found these beautiful Japanese eggplant at Times, a local grocery store in Hawaii, and they were so beautiful I had to buy them. You could also use Chinese eggplant in this recipe too. Did you know that eggplant is not a vegetable? They're a fruit, and they're actually classified as a berry. Like most plants, eggplant is a good source of fiber, which is lacking in most American diets and is a contributing cause to poor health. Fiber is found in plants, so eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, beans, legumes, and whole grains every day will help to ensure that you are consuming enough fiber. Plants also contain vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are substances in plants that are beneficial to human health and help to prevent various diseases. Red, purple, like eggplant, and blue fruits and vegetables tend to be high in the phytonutrient anthocyanin. Anthocyanins have antioxidant properties and have been shown to reduce inflammatory markers that increase the risk for heart disease. They may also protect the body from cancer and promote brain health. We so often hear about what we are not supposed to eat. Don't eat sugar, don't eat saturated fat, avoid processed foods. And if that is all you're eating, you probably aren't feeling that great. But ultimately, a major cause of poor health, both mental and physical, is not eating enough of the foods that our body needs to thrive, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. So if you want to start eating healthier, instead of trying to be super restrictive and telling yourself you will never eat pizza or donuts or whatever your favorite food is, think about incorporating more plants and healthy fats to your intake instead. Adding instead of subtracting is a tactic that can really help you to reach your goals. Shishitos are small, mild peppers from Japan. Their flavor is described as being sweet and slightly smoky, but 1 in 10 shishito peppers will be hot. I bought shishito pepper seeds off Amazon and planted them, and they're doing great. These are actually from my yard. But can someone please tell me why all of my shishito peppers are so spicy? Like the spiciest shishito peppers I have ever tasted. And because these peppers are so spicy, they're not supposed to be, I did not add any additional heat to the sauce. So if you like heat, you could add Sriracha or Sambal as well. For me, this is definitely a meal to make on the weekends or when I have a little bit more time to cook. It is definitely worth it though. Serve this beautiful dish on a bed of rice and enjoy. Let me know in the comments what other types of recipes or nutritional information you are interested in seeing. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, wishing you health and happiness. Aloha.